Kaseng all Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labour Union kala rakhia ka jindap prasnam na do balaseng haka khatnyo tarik nailar hamadan kawang mulong hakaba Myntri Rangbah konrat ke sangma uralong ukongsan haka ni ka sngi jing rakhe dap snem kinong yalam kani ka seng kila Pynkup Burom yung Myntri Rangbah kum kadak ka jing sngongu e ka sarkar jela haka jing yalam jung bakala kentiu ya ka bainong sngi naga benta ki Master Roll ki batrai sngi haki kam ban penbiang ki midday meal naga benta ki khana school haka jingkran Myntri Rangbah ulapan pau ka jing sngongu e kani ka seng ka bala Pynkup Burom yu haka ni ka sngi ulong baka sarkar jung ka don rengkat hakti hakjat bar ka Master Roll khamtam nilai ya kinong shed midday meal ki batrai jar ban penbiang ya ka bam ka sa na ka benta ki khana school hakeleng kisnong jong ka district ulapan kan mau badai ka sarkar haka jingalam jung haka snam 8000 khat phra kabala sheme ka rai ban kentiu ya ki bai sngi na ka benta kini kinong trei ki basbun bat ki ba minot thop halaki kam ki jam ka sarkar kala sieu ki bai nong jong ki hakapor ba biang ban lau banai namar ka sngo thu sha ya ki jing e jong ki ban pendap ya ki jinon kam hayeng hasem ulong ru ba ka sarkar kan sapet ban penbiang ya ki jinon kam jong ki khna ban kentiu ki haka kerdan ka bayar kat brio haka ne ka juk ulong ru ambaro ki jing dawa phinsayo hendre ka sarkar kan pech sani kinu kita kidei giba phide banyo ulong man iwe pe iwe inong snong ka jela ilong iba koridor la kilong ki minister ki he ki han ni kinong trei haki kerdan ki baret uba snyo bhalang dahar sembut Myntri Rangbah uladon lang hakani ka singi lekmen ki Master Roll Workers and midday meal cook hakani ka singi Myntri Rangbah ula Pynkup Burom ru ya uwe ni ki khon jung Master Roll ubala wan shakmat ban yo kerdan haka eksamen SSLC mentau snem
which we convert case Sama, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya. Your unwavering support, wisdom, accomplishments, leadership, and dedication have inspired us all. Your presence has not only elevated event, but has also left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. We sincerely acknowledge your valuable time and commitment to making a significant difference in the life of others.
Jaintia yogi, par kublai sibon penman bela kiri program hukum nusi gionga. Penpau lagi sangu yang dorbar cung umulong bodai samha yang kini kethau. Beliau yang mani ni kat kami mani.
To be part of this Foundation Day celebration that you are having. To tell you that as your Chief Minister and as a government, we are always there with you. I remember 2018, when the election got over, I did not contest the election that time. I never expected that our government will be formed. The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the Master Rolls. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the All Jaintia Master Rolls Workers and Labour Union, K.L. Pariat. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the Master Roll, about the problems of the cooks, We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years. Even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Master Rangbah, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the master rolls their salary on time? If all of you, if all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the master rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master roles today are getting their salaries on time. We're ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation to take care of the expenditures that you have.